Conversation AI bot using Gradio. Our bot will take audio as an input. You need to click on record. What is generative AI? Here you can see preview of if you want to trim your input, so here you can trim it. Yeah. Here you can see I cannot ability to physically click anything. Virtual assistant I think ability to perform the task. So here you can see. Let me ask another question. What is machine learning? Yeah. So here you can see they describe what is the machine learning in detail. Yeah. Here you can see the output. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a great day.